This is my turning targets I've created using an Arduino Uno version 3. It's for my gun club and it's for targets to turn under certain conditions to edge and face. And I have an LED to show here. It's powered, just a little screen. I'm going to turn it on and you'll see the light sequence come on.
Rifle club, turning target system, initializing, please wait.
And there's an amp on it. You probably didn't hear that, so I'll restart it again.
Downshire Rifle Club, turning target system, initializing, please wait.
Might be difficult to see the screen, and that LED is really bright. I should put a resistor on it to so it's not so bright. So you can see here it says DRC turning target, and I have buttons programmed on it as well. So there's a series of 5 buttons, but I use this for up, down and enter or start, and we can move down. I'll zoom in first of all so that you can read the screen. Screen's difficult to read there. Oh, it's gone blurred now, bummer. It's just not focusing on it. Oh, there we go. So what we have on is we have the precision stage, rapid fire, 150-second series, 20-second series, 10-second series, TNP1 practice 1, TNP practice 1, or TNP1 practice 2, and then practice 3, then multi-target 1, multi-target 2, and multi-target 3. And finally multi-target 4, and just an about screen. So if we go to one of the disciplines and say, for example, select rapid fire and press enter, I'll just zoom out because I have LEDs at the side here, and these LEDs correspond to the different disciplines, and rapid fire is this one. So we'll press
rapid fire stage selected.
Now there's also an LED on the front here, and this is connected to a relay, and you'll hear the mechanical relay turn on and off, and that will represent the target on its side and face. It'll now be on its face, side, back to face, and that will continue for 5 cycles. You can't see it, but it's actually saying cycle 4, cycle 5, edge for 7 seconds, then back to face for 3 seconds. Now this obviously hooks up to the hardware of the targets via a DIN on the back.
Unload.
And you can see the DIN here, so we have it connected onto the relay inside, and power's coming in to actually power the unit. I'm powering it externally at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the lid off it to let you have a look at the inside. And this is the inside of the unit. So from the inside you can see we have the Arduino Uno. We have a buck converter converting 12 down to 5 volts. We have the relay, and we have the MP3 player going to the amp, going to the 5-watt speaker. And on the inside of the front we have just the LED switch and the LCD screen. And here we have the inside of the DIN, and power coming in, and the relay will be connected. The relay at the minute is connected to the LED strip at the front. I'll zoom out a bit so I don't have to keep moving it. So it's connected to the LED at the front, that can be then disconnected from the relay, and the DIN can be connected so that we have a circuit formed every time it closes, and then when turned off it opens, because it'll be connected to common and normally open, so that normally open will be the default, and when it's powered and receives a high signal, it will go to closed. So that's what we have at the moment. A little card, the little MP3 player here requires a micro SD card with MP3 files on it, and I'll just put the lid back on and we'll go through another one of the sequences. It's not going on properly because there's a wire stuck. That's it, and we'll go to 150 second series.
150 second series load. Attention.
So this is a call out for the club. It can be connected to an external speaker, or it can just be kept here at the operator's desk, and they can call out, and you'll see you probably won't be able to read it from
unload
here, but it said face and now it's unloading. And after the unload there's a pause for 7 seconds. Now it's going to the first series. And remember, when you hear that
unload
click, that's the relay. You can see the LEDs off at the front here, and you'll hear the relay clicking. Well, that series is finished. We'll go to the precision stage, so the relay is closed and the light LED is off. Now as soon as I press this,
precision stage selected,
it starts up the sequence, and there's the relay clicking and the LED come on. Remember, the LED on the front just represents the relay opening and closing, or closing and opening. And the LEDs are off at the front, which means it's complete. So we'll go down to the 10 second series.
10 second series load.
So it's on the edge.
Attention.
And it's about to start after the attention and pause. And the LED will go out, and that will be the face of the targets. And it will be 10 seconds. The shooters will have 10 seconds to shoot their target. After the 10 seconds, the LED will come on, and that's the targets
unload
turning on their edge, and they have to unload now. It will then go off and allow the shooters to complete that stage.